Animal health surveillance is ongoing day-to-day work of bringing together the information needed to demonstrate the health of animal populations and to quickly detect and respond to disease events. A coordinated and connected Canadian animal health surveillance system is essential to rapidly detect serious threats to animal and public health, such as emerging diseases, understand endemic disease impacts, evaluate the success of interventions to control disease, and protect the livelihoods for Canadian farmers and other animal health and food production workers. The Canadian Animal Health Surveillance System, also known as CAHSS, has been a division of the National Farmed Animal Health and Welfare Council since 2019. CAHSS's work is to support effective, responsive, and integrated animal health surveillance in Canada. CAHSS is designed as a network of networks and purposefully brings stakeholders together into networks to discuss animal health, identify surveillance priorities, and plan surveillance activities across Canada. Currently, CAHSS has 7 species-specific networks, including beef, dairy, equine, finfish, poultry, smallholders, and small ruminant, as well as 2 special topics networks, including antimicrobial use, antimicrobial resistance, and vector-borne diseases. CAHSS also supports the work of the Canadian Swine Health Information Network, also known as CSHIN, Canada's first national species-focused animal health network. We currently have 345 active members of CAHSS. CAHSS's networks include representation from farmed animal and agri-food industry organizations, federal, provincial, and territorial government, animal health laboratories, public health laboratories, universities, and more. In addition, CAHSS works with regional animal health surveillance networks across Canada. This includes the Atlantic Canadian Animal Health Network, ATCAN for the Atlantic provinces, Réseau d'alerte et d'information zoonotaire, Réseau in Quebec, Ontario Animal Health Network, OWAN in Ontario, and the Western Canadian Animal Health Network, WECAN, for the Western provinces. CAHSS works with each regional network to advance common priorities.
As a veterinary epidemiologist with Manitoba's Chief Veterinary Office, animal health surveillance has been a big part of my day-to-day work for more than a decade. Every day I see the value that a strong animal health surveillance system provides to producers, communities, and the public in Manitoba, and the risks that could occur if the system was not in place. In the broader national context, the value and risk equation is the same, only at a cross-Canada scale. CAHSS provides national coordination for animal health surveillance. It is a structure that deliberately connects stakeholders from across governments and private sector organizations and allows regional networks to come together and share information. This leads to a better, stronger, and more integrated system that provides knowledge to all partners across Canada, putting us in a better position to prepare and respond to emerging threats. It also provides a way for us to identify common animal health priorities and work collectively to make progress on these. I am proud of our work over the last few years to build CAHSS. Our steering group is committed to the leading CAHSS forward and is fully populated with representatives from our species networks as well as federal, provincial, and territorial governments. As chair of the steering group, I see the important work that the steering group members, network leads, and CAHSS staff are doing every day to strengthen network connections. This effort is absolutely necessary to uphold Canada's reputation as a leader in animal health and safe food production, and I am excited to be part of this network.
Our new CAHSS website at www.cahss.ca is a centralized information hub with lots of different tools that are useful for veterinarians, producers, laboratorians, and other partners that work in animal health. CAHSS tools are available in both English and French and include a resources library, surveillance initiatives library, disease alerts page, and a regulated disease table. Since the launch of our website, we've had close to 43,000 page views, with most visitors from Canada and the remainder of our visitors from the US, UK, and Australia. The pages most users frequently land on are our equine page, antimicrobial use, antimicrobial resistance page, disease alerts notifications page, and our resources library. We hope to continue to share and develop more web-based resources and materials on our website to support member and partner needs. In addition to CAHSS tools, we've also been producing an online podcast series called Animal Health Insights that introduce listeners to the partners and organizations that work to support animal health in Canada. The podcasts are about 30 minutes long. The themes of the podcast range from concerns about importing foreign animal disease with rescue dogs, to the importance of integrating a One Health approach to veterinary and human medicine, to having good biosecurity on farm to prevent diseases from entering into a turkey barn. We currently have 9 episodes available for download or for live streaming on our website and have had over 300 podcast episode downloads from our listeners. What has CAHSS been working on lately? We've created a new backgrounder that describes antimicrobial use reporting terminology in user-friendly language and an antimicrobial use reporting tool that partners can use to help develop or strengthen their AMU reporting plan. These 2 new documents were developed with dedicated consultation and efforts from the CAHSS Antimicrobial Use, Antimicrobial Resistance AMU-AMR Network, as well as the National Farm and Animal Health and Welfare Council's AMU Working Group. These documents will help stakeholders effectively communicate antimicrobial use information across different sectors. CAHSS has continued to be very active in supporting the CanSpot ASF program to enhance early detection surveillance for African swine fever in Canada. The primary goal of CanSpot ASF is early detection of ASF should it arrive in Canada. This will minimize negative impacts to animal health and economic trade. CAHSS is proud to continue with supporting the work of CanSpot ASF with the National Farm Animal Health and Welfare Council and other partners. You can read the CanSpot annual report and learn more about the work of CAHSS and other National Farm Animal Health and Welfare Council departments in ASF preparedness planning at www.ahwcouncil.ca. Finally, what is CAHSS up to in the near future? CAHSS is excited to continue to develop strategies to engage with industry organizations, practitioners, producers, and students to enhance awareness about current work in animal health surveillance and opportunities to participate in creating and maintaining a robust animal health surveillance system. In addition to continuing education CE courses on key surveillance-related priorities that are open to vets, vet technicians, and veterinary students, as well as other animal healthcare workers, CAHSS will be engaging with various agricultural and veterinary colleges to introduce future professionals to what animal health surveillance would look like in Canada. CAHSS is developing a national companion animal network this fall. The purpose is to bring together companion animal network stakeholders to share information relevant to disease surveillance, emerging disease risks, and AMU and AMR. The first meeting for this network was held in October of this year and included industry representatives, faculty members from various veterinary colleges, as well as laboratorians. Another project that CAHSS is excited to share is the updated minimum data set for animal health surveillance, the MDSAH project. In collaboration with epidemiologists, laboratorians, and other partners in surveillance across Canada, this project will revisit minimum data set for animal health surveillance that was initially developed in 2011 and will consider how to best integrate advances in laboratory testing such as genomics. Finally, CAHSS is working on our very own sustainability plan as we prepare for the conclusion of this round of AAFC funding in March 2023. For more information on current CAHSS initiatives, or to become a member with CAHSS, please visit www.cahss.ca or email us at cassinfo@ahwcouncil.ca. Funding for CAHSS activities has been provided through the Agri-Assurance Program under the Canadian Agricultural Partnership, a federal, provincial, territorial initiative.